How do you like that? It's them blamed hiccups again. A physician. Yeah, he can't cure the hiccups, though.
Dr. Jerkle, a duck. Calling Dr. Jerkle, a duck. Calling Dr. Hey, jerk!
Yes?
Duck!
Ixnay, up day, and up day will the hiccups say. Oh, a customer, a patient. I'll be right out.
Put him up, I'll sucker in a puss. That's all, doggone sick of your mess. Sick of It's me. Hey, what's your big idea? You can't do this to me, I tell you.
Nasty hiccups, nasty, nasty. And we'll try the scare cure. That's what we'll do, yes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Hey, where'd the little guy go, chum? Say, who are you? I'm Chloe. Unless you and me wrestle.
Chloe? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Stop. Signed, Frank and Stein. That'll be 36 cents, please. When you hear the tone, the time will be exactly 10-2.
Now you're cooking with gas. That sends me. Oh, jump a time. Stop that lazy, sluggish feeling, Trump.
There they go! It's Roso Day. No, it's some...
Hey, Doc. What's cooking?
Sweet and hot. Bazooka suta.
Yeah, Snooky Wookums. Now I guess you'll behave.
Uh-huh. You don't know me very well, do we?
You don't know me very well, do we?